feed them. But none of them time energy we no give them. Them want things like I feed them. Never want we feel rise but if we forbid them. Say all them a do, all them a chat chat. Say all them a do, all them a chat chat. See all them a do, all them a chat chat.
So hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepa. Yeah, so you know that I keep showing all of the items that I have in my iron box, all of these items, outfits and all of that. So in today's video, and you know that I'm organizing everything, which is looking so good. Yeah, so when I'm going to edit this video, I'm going to show you guys around. Yeah, so I have some parcels and I want to open and show you guys. So the first one that I have is from GPLT. So this brand, actually I have a birthday outfit from them as well, but I couldn't sadly carry it to Thailand because it was very heavy. Yeah, so it is this beautiful purple skirt which I showed in one of my video. So let's see what we have. Yeah, so I have a lot of accessories from this brand, so you can see. Okay, so the first one which I have, it is this pearl necklace, beautiful pearl necklace. So it is this one. Oh my god, it's so pretty, and it has this teardrop, like a pearl drop. It looks so nice. I'm a huge fan of jewelry, and it's very lightweight also, let me tell you. I have a lot of this pearl jewelry, but I love this, the big pearl which is hanging. It's very nice. So I'm excited to wear this in my upcoming travel. So yeah, so love this. Let's see what else we have. So I can see, oh my god, when I saw this I loved it. So it is this crystal choker. Like I told you, I'm a huge fan of jewelry. So it is this beautiful crystal choker, and let me tell you, they're not even heavy, like they're very lightweight. So yeah, absolutely loved it. Yeah, so this is the one, extremely lightweight. So it will look like this, and I like the silver element, and it has that blingy, very nice quality also, let me tell you. So you can check out this website. I'm going to mention in the comments, you can check it out. And it is this, the another one that I have is this bralette, which is so nice. I'm waiting to wear this. This is also not so heavy. It is this beautiful bralette. I'm going to be careful with this. Okay, so I think you are slowly getting assist. So yeah, so this is the bralette, but I want to be very careful with it. Yeah, so you got assist, right? So this is the bralette. I love the pink and the gold element. Absolutely loved it. So, and it has this teardrop, and it's not so heavy, which I love. And these days this all are very trending, and I wore a similar one, the white one. It's from another brand, and absolutely loved it. It's from Nidzigan. Yeah, I love that brand as well. So absolutely excited to wear this. I love the quality, dude. The quality of this brand is very good. So if you are also going to any country, you can check it out. Yeah. So I'm gonna carefully put it back in this. So the next one I have is from Amazon. So in Amazon also I keep shopping these outfits because I need a lot of outfits, because I'm always in front of camera. It is this beautiful red outfit. It has a unique style, like actually let me tell you, it is this hand armhole which has this beautiful design. Let's see, when I wear you'll get an idea. But it's a long outfit, it's a long gown, and it has a slit right here. So in Amazon also you have these steel buys. So when I wear this, I'm gonna show you guys. So absolutely love it. Yeah. Okay, so now I have some outfits from New Me. Let's see what we have. So I have this white one, you can see it's from New Me. New Me is another brand that I love. Yeah. So it is this one. It's this beautiful top, white top, and it has that ruffle detailing. It's a off-white cream color top. Absolutely love it. Yeah. So I always am in front of camera, so I can wear anything in the bottom and style myself with this beautiful top. Loved it. It's very lightweight also. So moving on, let's see what we have. So I have something from Myntra. Yeah. So from Myntra, I can see another red. Today it's all red season. So it is this beautiful red dress that is there. Yeah, so absolutely loved it. Yeah, you can see it's a tomato red. The one that I'm wearing is a bright red. This is a tomato red. It's like a bodycon, and you have backless. Very nice. Love it. Yeah. So from which brand is it? So it's from Lulu and Sky. This is also a very good brand, Lulu and Sky. So yeah, let's move on. I have another one from Myntra. So I'm actually in this zone wherein I'm shooting for my tarot channel. So it is this outfit, it's this purple dress that I have. So let's see. So this is the dupatta. It's a plain one actually, plain purple. And this is the bottoms. Very nice. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the bottoms. So nice. Love it. Yeah, it'll fit me easily. And it's plain actually. But the highlight of this dress is the top. It is this. Beautiful. Oh, it's reverse. So this is the one. It has its spaghetti straps. And I like the print of it. It has this lotus kind of print. Lotus and different flowers. So very nice. It's a hand painted kurta. And yeah, sometimes you need such simple outfits in your Indian wear as well. So I'm gonna put link to this. You can check it out. Yeah, loved it. So yeah, moving on. Let's see what else we have. So I found these bandana. Like because I have so much hair, sometimes you need a bandana. Yeah. And I like the quality of this. So if you're also into this, you can check it out. When you work out and all, you can wear this. So I'm gonna keep it's a pack of 3. So I'm gonna keep one for my oily hair, like the dark color one for my oily hair, and the other for my you have in 3 colors. I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna put links to this. You can check it out. It is this green. So you have this blue and green, and you also have this. This one I can keep for my oily hair. Yeah, when you work out. So moving on, let's see what else we have. I have some outfits from New Me and also some accessories. So we're gonna see what we have. So this is from New Me. It is this cute little pink earrings. So when I'm gonna wear, like sometimes I don't wanna wear so heavy and I want my ears to a little bit rest. So that time this comes in handy. So it is this pink and gold simple earrings. So pretty they are. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. So yeah, it is this. You can see how cute they are, and they're absolute lightweight, and they had a style element as well. You can wear these to airports and all of that. Very lightweight, when you're traveling and all. Okay, so what else we have? So you know that I'm also a huge fan of sleepwear. So when I found this, I had to get my hands on it. So it is this beautiful animal print. I actually wore one animal print similar when I was in in Ireland. Yeah. So this one, like, it's a light wear, like if you want to sleep comfortable and it's summer and all of that. Very nice. Loved it. Yeah. So I have another outfit from New Me. So I'm telling you honestly, today it's red attack. So I actually really loved this outfit. It is this beautiful red number. It's a alter neck, and it's a full red velvet dress. It's a very birthday outfit, and you have to tie it. So nice. Loved it. Absolutely loved it. So yeah, one of my favorites. Absolutely loved it. It's a very birthday dress number. So yeah, if your birthday is like me in winter, in November, you can wear this. Okay. And the next one is again from New Me. Let's check what we have. So I can see. Okay, so moving on, I can see something pinky. So this is a very outfit like you can wear in your airport and any colder place. So it is this dress. It's a little hard to show because it has so many cuts, but I'm gonna try my best to show. So it is this outfit. It's So yeah, so this is the top part, and near your waist you have this tying thing. Yeah, it ties up, and I'm gonna put a photo so that you get an idea. And you have this dress. Yeah, so this is the bottom, like it ties down. It's a one overall look. Very nice. I love this pink. Let me tell you, this bubblegum pink. I'm a huge fan of it. So yeah. So I have to show a photo to actually make you guys understand. So let's see what else we have from Uni. Oh my god, I'm a huge fan of this. I told you, right, today it's all red day. So it's a coordinated set. So in Numi you get very good coordinated set. So the bottoms, it is this one, it's a pant, and dude, the top is so pretty. Like you have this red, like this red zipper kind of thing. So nice. Love it. Yeah. So it is a zipper outfit, and it's giving a sporty look. Very nice. You can wear this to your gym also. So yeah, very nice for your jog, if you're going out for a run or jog or something like that. Love it. Yeah. The next one I have is also from New Me. Let's see what is this. So it is this beautiful jacket. So I keep traveling to these colder countries a lot, and if the jacket is so good, like you can wear, so you can wear that pink dress and you can cover up with jacket. So if you're feeling cold, you can wear this jacket. I didn't see any such a beautiful jacket in pink, and with that pink and white combination. So when I just saw this jacket, I went like, I loved it. It is this pink and white, so pretty it is. Yeah, so I don't have anything in this, and the quality is also very nice. You can wear it in rain also, and love it. Yeah, so in New Me you have very trendy clothes. So yeah, so the last outfit I have is this pink blouse. Let me tell you, I keep doing sari looks for, I wear everything. So it is this. Very nice, such a pretty outfit. Sorry, blouse. Yeah, absolutely loved it. So yeah, I love this pink, dude. You can wear it with any of your outfits. So yeah, you can see a lot of pink and red today, which are both my favorite colors. So thank you so much if you watched till the end. That is it for this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'm gonna edit and put everything that I wear. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye guys.